You are famous. Internationally, globally, you are known. Don't you think it's high time to come and see my parents, pay my bride price, and marry me? Flavor, marry me.
Marry you?
Hey now.
Marry a thief. Okwa na abania, ife ni ihe ga-eme na abania. Okwa na abania, ife ni ihe ga-eme, make you know the frown. Today is an happy day. Just relax yourself, folks. Cause we go to party all night long. Omalicha nwadimma. Yemo bigi. Make we do something. Time. Producer. Yeah. Pause where the stuff first.
So.
Producer Nkabu heat oh.
I'm not so now.
Nkabu heat.
I do for my work. Flavor.
Ayarima.
Flavor.
Ayarima. Hello. Udo one there.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Chelu. Producer. Can I help you that one first? More lift that one.
We don't want to finish this one.
Him do that track.
You sure?
Can check that track out.
You ready?
Okay. Panting on it, oh! Panting on it, oh! Panting on it, oh! The way you shaking it, the way you breaking it, I can't take it no longer. Producer, Chelu.
Everything is soft.
God is hard, though. God is very hard. This one is hard. But from the beginning, you get him feet. Put auto tune. Come mama. Oh, you're man.
How far finish this job now?
I pay.
Favor.
Oh, you're man.
Favor.
Everything I do, they play. Wait, they worry you.
Flavor.
This they really pay me. Asa. Take your time, oh.
You don't know.
Okay, wait, Asa.
Fine. Alpha, how was the recording section?
It's going fine.
Have you paid him?
And we may go. I don't have money. One man. But it's my producer. I will set ourselves later. I will sort ourselves.
Don't worry. I have money. I have gift card.
Where did you see gift card, Asa?
For my brother.
Is your brother where you collected his gift card?
Don't worry about that one. It's my family issue. I will take care of it later. Yeah? See, you are more important to me. I can do anything, sacrifice anything to make sure you get to that pinnacle of success. Because I know you are going far. This is just your humble beginning.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention.
I appreciate you.
Don't mention.
Chai, Asa, I will take you around the world. Asa, Chai, Mbwegi, Tiegi na plane, flying around the whole world.
Flavor.
Oh, yeah, man. Chai. Asa, sit down. No, let me finish up. We'll go home. Producer.
I'm up a road.
Asa, why are you making all these faces? Why are you giving me attitude?
Flavor, I'm giving you attitude.
Yes.
What character do you want me to show when I don't even know where this relationship is heading to? Okay, let's assume then you're a struggling artist. You are trying to find your way. There's no money. Flavor, how about now? Zam, how about now? You are blessed. See your houses, cars, investments here and there. I can't even count it. Flavor, you are famous. Internationally, globally, you are known. Don't you think it's high time to come and see my parents, pay my bride price, and marry me? Flavor, marry me.
Marry you?
Hey now.
Marry a thief.
All my millions.
I'm bad now.
Mwah.
You stole from your brother. You stole from your family to support me. How am I sure you will not steal from me? You will not steal my hard-earned money. Hey, go. I can't take it anymore. To support another man. If I were your brother, will you advise him to marry a thief like you? Eh? Oh, yeah,